Hai ni tamu. Ai Mungu Baba nisaidie. Ay, ni tamu. Ni tamu. Mangu, ai. Kumbe hii dunia inapanga namna hiyo. Hama yangu. Hebu tena.
Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to MK Kitchenette. If you're new here, please subscribe to our channel. And kama we ni mwenyeji, kama kawa, we appreciate you and we love you. So on this video, we're going to make pizza. And I'm making two pizzas, one for chicken, another one for beef. And I have these ingredients over here that I'm gonna tell you vile nimefanya, and that's that. So I started off by making my pizza dough, and it's here. I just added instant yeast, some sugar, all-purpose flour, and some salt, and then I let it sit for around 45 minutes. Na iko hapa, it's ready. And then I went ahead and fried my chicken. I added some American barbecue rub and some chicken masala because I wanted it a little bit spicy. And then because I'm making a beef pizza too, I have it here. I've already cut the meat into cubes and fried it. I added thyme and beef masala, and that's that. And then I have some bacon that I've fried, and I'm gonna use them to cook the pizza. So also I've grated my cheese. It's over here. I hope you can see it. Oh, and this cheese, it's mozzarella. I don't have cheddar, but you can use either or both, whichever you prefer. Also, on to the next step, I'm going to make the pizza sauce. We have these ingredients. We have some garlic, that is fresh garlic, not powder, garlic, and then some onions. This is white onion. I have some capsicum and some tomatoes. I'm going to blend this one, and we're going to fry them. Okay. Oh, I also forgot to tell you, we're going to add some tomato paste, some salt, bay leaves, and some oregano here, and then some oil. Also, I'm going to add some sugar to fight the acidity, to reduce the acidity. And that's that. Let's first start by blending the tomatoes. I'm going to add some water. That's enough. Then I'm going to add my oregano so that it can blend well. It can incorporate in the tomatoes. I have bay leaves. This one I'll add later. And then I'm going to add some salt. Not a lot. And blend. Now it's time to cook the pizza base. So I'm first going to add my finely chopped onions. I hope you can see. And then some oil. I had used this pan to cook bacon, so it has some oil. And I just need a little. Then I'm going to cook these until translucent. Next, we go in with the garlic. So we are then going to put our blended tomatoes. We're then going to put one bay leaf, apple, and add in the tomato paste. Alafu we cook until tupate the desired consistency. We're going to stir this. mix well. The reason why we add tomato paste is to make the sauce thick. As you can see, it's thickening. My sauce is almost ready. I'm going to put like 4 tablespoons of sugar. I don't want the pizza to be bitter. So I'm going to stir. The sugar reduces acidity. I said that in the beginning, but I'm gonna repeat. So there we go. The pizza base is ready. You check for consistency. You see, this one you can spread really nicely. Now we're going to roll our dough. You see vile ilikuwa imerise. I'm going to cut these into 2. We want a thin, kind of thin crust. We add some flour or flour, whichever you choose, and then we roll. So I've laid down the pizza base. It's here. Then I'm going to make the next one.
Okay, so I know it's 2 in the morning, but just because I'm texting you doesn't mean anything. I just want to see you. And if you could hit me back, that would be really dope. See you soon. Ooh-wee, I got this feeling that just you and me and the summer off of Italy.
Now this one is circular, this one is rectangular in shape. Now next we're supposed to some small holes. I don't know why they do this. When you go to Rome, you do as the Romans do, and since this one is for the Italians, do as they do. Now the next part is removing the bay leaf and spreading the sauce. I've been drinking your poison and wondering if I survive. Ooh-wee, I got this feeling that just you and me and the summer off of Italy. We're then going to put the cheese. This is the first layer of cheese. Then I'm going to put my chicken, this one, like that, everywhere. I wanted it to have generous amount of chicken. I think I got it. I got it. And then I'm going to put some bacon. Wondering if I survive. Will I? Ooh-wee, I got this feeling that just you and me. Then we're going to put beef on this other one. Then I'm going to add the bacon. I'm trying to spread the pieces as evenly as I can. On this one too, I'm going to put capsicum. And then put the last coat of the cheese. Naika kama kafirifiri kwa ubari. Nah. Looks so yummy. Guys, I can't wait to eat, to indulge. And there we go. Next, you're going to pulp them in the oven at 180 degrees. I've been preheating. It's okay. So I'm going to put this one here. And this other one here. And we cook them. We're going to put at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Let's wait and see. So it's been 10 minutes and our pizza is ready. This is the first one. And the second one. I don't have a pizza cutter yet, but that won't prevent me from enjoying a piece of pizza. So guys, we have some guests and the pizza is ready, and they're going to tell us how it tastes and where we can do better. Wacha tusikie what they have to say.
First, hata before niume naona inakaa yummy, looks so professional. The texture nasikia iko soft mbaya sana. Stika inaonekana iko soft sana. We au nande. Hii kitu ni tamu sana for real. So it is soft, tender and yani kitu ni tamu sana. Hii hata ile ya pizza hii, it has nothing on this one.
Yeah.
You've heard it from the horse's mouth. Sasa hiyo ni ya chicken, ndio?
Yeah.
Wow. Hiyo na rate 99
out of 100.
Hiyo ni out of 100 by the way, for real.
At a set of 10.
Hiyo ni 99 out of 100. Hiyo one ile maybe improvement. But hiyo kitu iko excellent kabisa.
Shukran.
Congrats.
Now guys, that is how you make an awesome, delicious, loaded pizza. Our guests loved it and we did too. I hope you do try this at home and tell me on the comment section how it goes. Also remember to subscribe to our channel, like, comment, share. We appreciate you. See you on the next one. Bye bye.